The one limiting factor that we've heard time and again from the growth and expansion of our region is that we need talent. And we have wonderful talent right here in our system. It's just about aligning and harnessing that talent all towards a clear goal. CareerPrep 2030 does that.
We have a great opportunity here in West Michigan to be able to have lifelong employment for our students. We want to make sure that they're set up for success. We want to make sure they're getting the right types of education, the right types of opportunities for employment, and making sure that the connection with the business partners in the community are synced up so that both are lock in step as we continue to move forward together.
We know that by engaging students early on with our employers, they are more likely to want to work for them after high school. The more opportunities we can allow for our students to access this kind of training, the better.
It's one thing to ask for the talent that we're going to need for the future needs of our businesses. It's a whole different thing to step up and be available and provide those learning opportunities and engage.
Really, for us and for Kent ISD, it's all about the kids. We knew we wanted to be city-centric, where we could equitably access urban, suburban, and rural school districts because we wanted opportunity for all kids in our county. And coming alongside Kent ISD and our location just made that so much more possible. We've grown to 53 high school students from 19 sending schools and just added an electrical program to our carpentry program.
It opens me up to a lot of different trades and it gets me involved in a lot of people in the community.
Currently I'm enrolled in Carpentry 1 and it's just, the basics of carpentry, measuring, handling tools properly, safety, math. It's basically like as of a school, but like more hands-on. I'm really enjoying it so far.
We have a wood product manufacturing program for high school juniors in our community. If they don't want to be at a desk, if they learn differently, I learned differently as a young person, my son learns differently. So if we can provide pathways for young people to work with their hands, get out of the chair, learn a new skill, learn a new trade, and if we can be a community partner in that, that's great. We just provide more seats and more pathways for young people.
I saw this and I realized this is a fit for me, so I keep coming. And they were like, oh, we're going to hire you in to help project instruction, the high schoolers.
Seeing that light bulb, that fire, that spark clicking for students, when they say, wow, I can do this, and this is unique, and this is different. That gives me a sense of pride.
There's no charge to the student. And that's the beauty of this partnership, that by partnering with Kent ISD, students have free access to this program.
Many of our students weren't choosing to participate in career technical education opportunities because of the disruption that provided in their schedule. So now that it's right on campus, they can walk to the class and continue the regular schedule. It's been a great opportunity for our kids.
This is really the heart and soul of how a community really works.